Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaidah. Today we will learn the rule of Izhar. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Izhar, what is the Izhar rule, what is Noon Sakin, what is Tanween, how many halqa letters are there in an Arabic accent, how we pronounce the Izhar rule in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this lesson with examples. Let's start. What is Izhar? Viewers, Izhar is the first case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Izhar is the first case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. If any halqa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. I repeat, if any halqa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Any letter which has this jazm sign, this is jazm sign, this is sukoon sign or sakin sign. Any letter which has this sign, that letter is called sakin letter. Here Noon is sakin letter. Noon Sakin can be written as like this. What is Tanween? Viewers, 2 Zabar, 2 Zer and 2 Pesh are called Tanween. I repeat, 2 Zabar, 2 Zer and 2 Pesh are called Tanween. Keep remember, 2 Zabar and 2 Pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas 2 Zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. I repeat, 2 Zabar and 2 Pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas 2 Zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How many halqa letters are there? There are 6 halqa letters and they are Kha, Ghain, Ha, Ain, Ha, Hamza. These are the halqa letters and they are 6 in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce halqa letters in an Arabic accent? Hamza Ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain Ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. And Ghain Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. How we pronounce the Izhar rule in an Arabic accent? This is the example of Izhar. According to Izhar rule, there is halqa letter. This is halqa letter comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. There is halqa letter comes after noon sakin, then izhar will be done. Here noon is sakin because noon has jazm sign on it. How we pronounce izhar? Let's spell. Meem, noon, zir, min, ha, meem, pesh hum, minhum, minhum. This is the example of izhar. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of izhar. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.